All right, so we're going to do something a little different here, guys. I want to do something called a sprint mix, and I'm sure a lot of you guys know what that is. As you can see, I got a 10-minute timer, and I got this session in front of us. It's an awesome song. It's called Rely On by James Lugo. He's an awesome musician, mixer. I mean, this guy's amazing, and it's a YouTube channel that I suggest everybody watch. All right, so we pretty much ready to do this, so I'll see you guys in 10 minutes.
I told you everything's okay. The love I can give you will wash your tears away. You won't believe it, never had to be afraid. I've always been here. That'll never change. Can't get over you. I can't get on the times that I held you. I told you everything's okay. The love I can give you will wash your tears away. You won't believe it, never had to be afraid. I've always been here. That'll never change. Can't get over you. I can't get over you now. Here, that'll never change. Can't get over you. That'll never change. No. Dying, dying. Away. Rely on. I've been lonely too. Away. Rely on. I've been lonely too. I couldn't fall for you till now. Rely on the times that I held you. I told you everything's okay. The love I can give you will wash your tears away. You won't believe it, never had to be afraid. I've always been here. That'll never change. Can't get over you. I can't get over you now. Rely I've been lonely too. I couldn't fall for you till now. Rely on the times that I held you. I told you everything's okay. The love I can give you will wash your tears away. You won't believe it, never had to be afraid. I've always been here, that'll never change. Can't get over you. I can't get over you now. Rely on the time. The love I can give you will wash your tears away. You won't believe it, never had to be afraid. I've always been here, that'll never change. The times that I held you, I told you everything's okay. The love I can give you will wash your tears away. You won't believe it, never had to be afraid. I've always.
There's a couple of spots here that I'm sure I will do some EQing just to kind of get rid of those frequencies that I don't need. On the drums, I would definitely just gate the drums. If we look at the levels, not really pushing them that hard. There's a lot here. So if I start pushing this really hard, I'm going to end up hitting my tube bus extremely hard. And wait a minute, I just got so many things here and I don't want to. You can see that one kick is already starting to move that needle there. So let's just take a listen. See, that's something I would try to EQ. That ringing on that hit, it's kind of annoying. That's the overs. Right there, I will put a compressor just to kind of ting that a little bit. But you know what? I'm not going to go through this whole entire track and I don't want to bore you guys. But yeah, that is Rely On by James Lugo. Again, amazing musician. And this is a track that I work on all the time. I strip the plugins, I bring all the faders down, I'll put a timer and I'll mix it. It is just an exercise I think everybody should do, regardless if it's good or bad. Honestly, it doesn't matter. This is just an exercise that will help you, especially if you're going to go to a studio and you have a band there. And the only job that you have to do is make sure everybody hears themselves. But anyway, I really hope you guys got something out of this. Again, the mix doesn't matter. It's just the exercise that matters here. You're working on your skills. So what the vocal might be a little too loud? So what the kick isn't hitting as hard? But you know what? As you keep doing it, it's just going to get better and better and better. This is Ray, and I'm out of here. Later, guys.